everyone, good evening. And tonight we're gonna do the Bean Boozled Challenge with my one and only Catherine Era. So tonight we're gonna do this challenge with the help of our Nasty, and the white cups are for spitting if ever we can't handle the taste of the beans that we're gonna get from the Bean Boozled Challenge. So we will have a spinning wheel for us to know what bean to get, and there's baby wipes, booger, skunk spray, stinky socks,
and dog food,
yes,
toothpaste,
and
what is love clipping?
And there's also good ones like chocolate pudding, caramel corn, lime, berry blue, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 12 good flavors and 12 nasty ones. So who's gonna start? Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, rock.
Up to 3.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no, you didn't.
No, that's it.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So she's gonna go first. I hope she gets a bad one. Okay, so here's the bean.
Cry.
Oh my gosh, I almost killed it. So here's the bean. Go. Your turn.
So what
Is she gonna get?
Scared.
What is she gonna get? Go. You need to spin
Okay,
them.
okay,
You can't
Three.
choose.
How do I
Just-
spin it? Okay, fine.
Bayot. Marok ka bayot. Dapat kita ko. So go.
It's not stable.
You could just you could put it here so that it would be stable.
Okay.
So Era got
Moldy cheese.
it's either the caramel corn or the moldy cheese. I hope she gets the moldy cheese. So that's what she got. So okay, what color is this one? It's the yellow one. So you should get the yellow one. I mean, like the yellow, yeah, the caramel colored. So you should get one. Go.
These ones?
Yeah, no.
Oh my god.
You should get the moldy cheese, so it should be this one, this color. I think the yellow one. Let's see.
Okay, this one. Oh my god, I'm scared.
Mo ba na ba yun? No, you need to get the.
I know, I'm just, Okay, like this one.
Yeah, that one.
There's no sound.
Pagdali, bayot. Go. It's 3 minutes already.
There's no teeth. I have to bite it.
You need to bite it. She needs to chew it for 10 times. You need to chew it 10 times.
Oh.
Go. I hope you get the bad one.
Wait, what's your bad one for this one?
It's the
moldy cheese, right?
Yeah. Is it good? Oh my god, you got You need to
I don't want to breathe.
Okay, you need to finish up. You should chew it 10 times.
Okay.
One. I need to get napkins.
Ew. What can you do?
Sige lang, good. That's part of the challenge. So, okay, my turn.
But I think I can tolerate this one compared to the other.
Hope I can get that one. So I got either the lime or the lawn clippings. So that's what I got. I think it's not clear, but I'm gonna get the green one. So there's two kinds of green one. The ones I need the plain green. Here's the plain green. Oh my gosh. It fell down. Take the green peel. 1, 2, 3. Go. Oh shit. Maro mangguro ni Bes.
Pilo kay walay good ones though. Like,
Oh, no. I got the lime. I got the lime.
Oh, I got the good one on your first try.
Okay. Arrested.
I swear I don't want to try the stinky socks. Oh my god.
Your turn.
Ah!
Luod siya bayot do. Balag lime.
Saan nakaglain?
What's that?
Oh my god, not the black one!
No, you got the. She got the booger.
It's not the booger!
It's the booger.
It's the skunk paw!
It's the booger. It's the booger. The booger or the juicy pear. So she got either the booger or the juicy something. So it's the green one with like green dots.
Pila-pil mo pa ni Manny.
Go, Era, go.
Ano mo chase now?
What?
Unsay lami sa kalunga.
Unsay lami sa kalunga. Do you know?
Mom!
Go, go, go.
Tagay ko exemption bing, iluwa na ko tan.
Bayot, go. Ikat na lang din na to ni part 1 din at part 2. Kailain kayo straight 10 minutes for more. Shut down. Go.
I can still taste the cheese. The moldy cheese.
Let's go.
Scared.
Faster.
I don't want to breathe while I bite into it.
Wala. Kasi tigaw ka kuntian.
What's a good taste for this one?
I think booger is okay. Is
It's
it booger?
not okay.
Is it good?
No.
Why do you get the bad ones?
It's like you can tolerate the taste,
But you just can't.
pero ang feeling nimo kay kung magkaon ka, ma-feel pa nimo nga mura kalungat ng magkaon. So, ew. Can I not, like,
So she got the booger. So 2 points for me. Oh no, 1 point for me. Okay,
I don't
my
wanna
turn.
swallow.
Okay. I got either the baby wipes or the coconut.
Ew.
So I hope I got the
you get
coconut.
No.
So it's the white one.
I hope you get the bad one.
Take the white peel. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I told you can't tolerate the other taste. Okay, let me eat.
That was nasty.
Oh, it's baby wipes.
Shit, kaluod ato bayot.
Oh, my hair
Yeah, go
is
tissue,
so
me.
wet. Nya ganahan pa kay tolon. Ha?
Mura siyang limpyo nga ako. Kaluod.
Ganahan pa kay tolon. I don't want to tie my hair.
Okay, your turn. Oh my gosh, that was disgusting. Kaluod na dyan sumo. Okay, your
Imagine sok na taste moldy cheese and
turn. Oh
booger.
my gosh, that was so disgusting.
I told you it's
Very
gross.
bad. Okay, your turn, sister.
Imagine na, no? What if sagol ni mo tanan kaon ba?
Ugh, kaluod. Ah, that was so bad. I mean, baby wipes is not that bad because it's clean. It's for cleaning, but it's not. It's bad. It's fuck. Go.
Oh my god, the cheese has a strong taste. I can still taste it.
Oh my gosh. Baby wipes are the worst.
Okay, go.
Mm-hmm. Ah, I hope you got the baby wipes.
Oh my god, no! I got
Baby
the rotten-
wipes.
No, it's not the what? It's the rotten egg. Oh shit.
Let me see. What'd you
It's
get?
either the buttered popcorn or the rotten egg.
Oh, I hope you got the rotten
No.
eggs.
Wait. What does it look like?
So she got the
Rotten what?
she got either the buttered popcorn or the rotten eggs. So I hope you get the rotten eggs.
It's the yellow thing.
Rotten eggs is the white
This
one.
one?
I'm not sure, but I
I
think
don't know. I think it's this one.
is it white?
It's like white and yellow.
Okay, then you should get that. Yeah, that's it.
And the moldy cheese is this one, right?
Ah, it's so disgusting.
So it's different.
Ah, wipes is so bad. Nasangit sa ngipon do lud kayo.
Wait.
Bayot pagdali. Sige na bayot, 11 minutes.
Kailakon ko doon.
Oh my god, why do I get the bad one? Go.
So if lamin siya, it tastes like buttered popcorn. Oh my god.
I hope you got the bad one though. I'm gonna
Okay.
get it, I'll go.
No. I don't want to breathe.
That was disgusting. That was really disgusting. Let me. Oh God! Good job.
That was the worst.
Kaluod ni.
Na-distract ako teeth.
Bayot-ayot.
Oh my god.
Kaluoy. Oh my god, that's so sad. It's fun. Yuck.
Like when you bite into it, it's like the smell just.
The flavor just burned. Okay, now it's my turn, and I hope I always get the good ones because I'm just awesome like that. Okay, now it's either I get the booger or the juicy one. So it's the green one. Unsay color atong booger best?
It's the green one. Oh,
With
it
the
doesn't
dye?
really taste bad.
The booger doesn't taste bad.
I mean, yeah.
I hope I get the juicy one. Dang, I got the booger. Hindi ko matulog ako lawan.
You promised to swallow. That was the whole challenge.
Fila mo kay butter mo ay ang juice imong nakuha do.
Ano mo challenge pa kanton lon. One bite na lang gani lon na kayo.
Galud, oh my gosh.
I already had 3 bad ones.
Oh shoot, I'm so.
I feel like the worst ones here are the skunk spray.
Booger is worse.
Oh my god, the stinky socks. I'm pretty sure of that one.
That's why I don't eat my kalungat.
Ew.
Dang, that's so bad. That was bad, like really bad.
Sabon na ang may lamig dulod kayo.
Hindi ko katulog nito. Magunahuna ra ko sa lasa.
Matolerate man mo ang booger.
No, I can't.
Matolerate na ko. Pero, well, ako siyang ginaingkit. May imagine ako, murag kalungat mo na akong kaon sa murag,
No.
Dilit ang swallow, ha?
Wala.
No swallowing, please. I don't like to swallow.
Oh my gosh. Okay, your turn.
Mabusog man tag inog, mister. I got the wrong. Oh my god, please. Ayun na lang. Not ideal. Not ideal. Not ideal. If you
Look what you
No!
what she got. Wait, let them see what you got. She got the same thing.
No.
She got the...
Please, kung
It's either the buttered popcorn or the rotten egg.
Kuan be please, if makaduhaan na ta ka-skip siya be, para matilawan na itong lain.
Sige, go, go.
Very good.
Give chance sa mga losers. Because mga losers is mga losers. Just kidding. Pagbigyan si auntie. Bayot. Sige na, bayot. Ako na siyang i-stop og 18 minutes. Lupod ani nga dula eh.
Oh my God, ganun ka ni Mansigi. Okay, one last time. Bliktado na to. I got the barf. Oh my God, I got the
Oh, yuck! It's either the peach or the barf. Good luck. The peach or the barf. Okay, go. Go, 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 go.
This is the worst game ever.
Barf is vomit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we just play Monopoly.
I can't imagine eating my own vomit. It's so disgusting.
What if na mama ba ang palisyan niyo o siya kabalo ang mga luod din ko ni Seven Egg Party?
Tita,
Kung nahawa siguro yung bisita, no? O siya kabalo ba? Isago lang niya tanan ba? Okay, hindi niya tayo. O siya bakit na siya kabalo?
it expired nito eh. Luod na eh. Nakumat ka rin party niya eh.
Oh my God, please, please, please. I hope I get the peach one.
Show them the pill. Show them the pill.
So this is the barf one. It's either the peach or the barf.
Okay, go, 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 sister.
Feel ako makakanapod ko sa bado, kaya I always get the bad one.
And I always get the good ones or sometimes the
No,
bad.
you only got one good.
Yeah, I think I got the bad one, but it's good. Like, I like it. Go. 17 minutes.
Nabusog na ba ako do?
I need to
Hindi
stop
mo
this by 18. Like, so this is the last for Ara, and this is my last one after hers. So go, Ara. Excuse you.
Excuse me.
Go. Iud siya do, linakwanan mo dula.
Da! Da! Oh my God, I don't like this. I'm gonna cry.
Go. Go, bayot.
It's the barf.
Sige na.
It's the barf.
Go. Sige na, go.
I feel like this is worse than a rotten egg.
Everything is bad. It's like your luck or not. I hope you get the good one though, because barf is bad. Like, I don't like it either.
Pretty last na ni siya.
Yeah, that's your last one.
For
and this,
tonight?
Yeah.
For tonight?
Yeah.
For tonight.
Yes.
Promise me.
Promise.
Oh my God, please. I hope this is peach.
I just threw up twice, I guess. It's so
I
bad.
don't...
Booger is bad.
Feel ko din nakakaya do.
Sige,
Masuka na
go.
gid ko do. Masuka na.
Lisuka
Oh my
na.
God, dili na gid ko do.
Lisuka na. Okay. Tira ka. Sige. Now go. I win. So, we'll continue tomorrow because hindi na mo
It's
kaya
late
bayo.
and-
Yeah, it's late and we don't want to sleep with bad tummy. So, good night, guys. Thanks for watching.